So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this going tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Premiere Pro keeps on crashing because the project starts auto saving automatically and it consumes a lot of RAM for you. Now, in order to fix it, just simply click on the edit option on the top left corner, and here you need to go to this option of preferences, and here you'll see this option of auto save right there. Click on auto save, and here you can see the option of auto save right there. Now, first of all you need to do, either you can just simply uncheck mark it to the auto save projects, automatically save projects option. So what it does, it stops automatically saving. Or what you can do, you can just simply make this timer to about 30 minutes or 40 minutes, so you can be on the safe side that if your project have been crashed, there might be possibilities that the project have been automatically saved in the Premiere Pro as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.